everyone. I am Dr. Umesh Kohli, Senior Intervention Cardiologist, Asian Institute of Medical Sciences, Faridabad. Today we will be discussing important points about heart failure, how to manage, what is heart failure, how to manage people living with it. Look, heart failure basically in a layman term, it is basically a layman term. If you analyze in layman term, the heart is not functioning properly. Heart failure का मतलब है कि heart is not able to pump the blood. Basically, the heart function is to pump the blood to the whole of the body. If the heart is unable to do that, it doesn't meet the requirements or needs of the organs of the body, then we say a condition which is called heart failure. That the pumping of the heart is not adequate so as to maintain the proper supply to other organs. So basically, heart failure leads to very important symptoms like breathlessness, swelling of the body, fatigability. पेशेंट जो है वो थोड़ा सा वॉक करके उसकी सांस फूल जाती है, उसको बहुत एक्सट्रीम वीकनेस लगने लगती है. So these are the symptoms that points towards that patient that there is a problem in the heart, and we should investigate whether the proper function of the heart is there. I would say in Indian scenario, heart failure is now becoming quite common. The estimated incidence is around 1 to 2%. There are so many factors, so many conditions of the heart that leads to heart failure. We will say that there are certain risk factors that are important that ultimately leads to heart failure, like if a patient has long-standing hypertension, diabetes, if a patient has blockage in the artery or he had a heart attack. There are certain valve problems like leakage of the valve, or there is a blockage in the valve. We call rheumatic heart disease, very common in Indian scenario. And there are certain birth defects that ultimately leads to heart failure. Basically, there are so many factors or conditions that ultimately leads to heart failure. And one should always, if you have these risk factors, or if you have these long-standing condition, one should go and check with the doctor so that they should be diagnosed early in the course. Yes. Yes. This is a very, I would say, yes, सबसे important question है, ये सबसे important information है सबके लिए कि one should know. Actually, people will, most of the patients will not know कि उनको ये heart की problem है कि नहीं. They say कि अब if a elderly patient comes जो 60-65 years का है, वो क्या मेरे को generalized weakness लग रही है, maybe because of aging, थोड़ा सांस फूल रहा है, maybe मौसम change हो रहा है. So one should be very particular. If you have symptoms like कि आपको चलने में सांस फूलता है और आपको you have extreme fatigability, आप काम नहीं कर पा रहे. पहले you were able to take 4 to 5 rounds of the bar in the morning, but now you are breathless और आपको धीरे धीरे swelling आ रही है. So these are the important factors that one should recognize and go to a doctor and go for the screening of the heart, so that if he is having certain problems regarding the heart, so one should easily pick up. And now with the the sciences, we say कि medical field and science is gradually developing and evolving. So we have now very most advanced therapies in the heart failure. The basic treatment is one should know the cause of the heart failure. If I, for example, if I say कि किसी की heart की सारी आर्टरीज के अंदर ब्लॉकेज है और उसकी हार्ट की पंपिंग वीक होगी बिकॉज ऑफ द आर्टरीज की ब्लॉकेज, वी कॉल इट कि अगर तीनों आर्टरीज में ब्लॉकेज है, उसका हार्ट फंक्शनिंग कम हो गई है. इफ वी कैन डू द रिवर्सकुलराइजेशन, और वी से अगर हम उसका बाईपास या तीनों में स्टेंट डाल दें तो उसकी हार्ट फंक्शनिंग इंप्रूव हो जाती है. तो वी कैन ट्रीट दिस पेशेंट. वी कैन आई वुड नॉट से क्योर, बट वी कैन वेरी मच इंप्रूव द पेशेंट. अब द पेशेंट हैज अ very heart की function बहुत poor है, so there are certain medication like diuretics. There are newer drugs for management of heart failure, so we can keep them on these drugs And there are actually 3 types of treatment, I would say. First is the lifestyle. One has to follow the strict lifestyle. Dietary therapy, salt intake reduce करना है, fluid intake reduce करना है. Third is the pharmacological therapy, यानी कि उसकी जो दवाइयाँ हैं वो properly लेनी है. अब next आता है the non-pharmacological therapy, what we say the newer advancement heart failure. We should know कि उसकी heart failure का reason क्या है. जैसे मैंने बताया कि heart failure का reason तीनों नाड़ी में blockage का है, तो one should go for the bypass surgery or stenting. अगर heart, if there is a condition called LBB or desynchrony of the heart है, so now there are certain, there are special type of pacemaker जिसको हम CRT device कहते हैं या biventricular pacemaker बोलते हैं. कि we can implant these devices so that the heart functioning improves and the heart failure symptoms are improved. And if we go further to the list, there are the higher treatments like left ventricular assist device और जिसको artificial heart के नाम से जाना जाता है. And ultimately now with the progress, the heart transplantation is the last stage कि we can transplant the heart in a person who is young and whose heart has been failed, तो हम उसके अंदर heart transplantation भी कर सकते हैं. The last treatment of this disease is the last heart transplant. The first and basic and the most important factor is that one should not get disheartened that he has a heart problem, and he should not succumb to the, कहूँगा कि जैसे कहते हैं, one should fight the battle. One should not say कि लड़ने से पहले ही मैंने हार मान ली. सबसे important ये है, you have to make your mind strong. उसमें important ये है कि you have to take the medication properly. You have to follow the strict lifestyle that is recommended. Gradual exercises. You have to manage the dietary modification, जैसे कि fluid restriction करो, क्योंकि heart failure में normally heart is not able to adjust. If you take more fluids तो उनका सांस ज़्यादा फूलेगा, बॉडी में swelling आ जाएगी. तो fluid intake restrict करना है, salt intake restrict करना है. Timely डॉक्टर के साथ सबसे important होता है. Most of the patient, if you see, they will lose the contact with the doctor, or they are very much not we call कि compliant नहीं होते हैं. They will stop the medication. They say कि मैं अब ठीक हो गया हूँ तो मैं दवाई बंद कर देता हूँ. But I would say कि it is a disorder. Heart failure is a disorder, not a disease. Disease can be cured, but disorder can be controlled. तो control के लिए we have to follow these measures. हमारा lifestyle, हमारी medicine, हमारा dietary modification, ये हमेशा चलना है, क्योंकि अगर हम इसमें से एक भी चीज लूज करेंगे तो we will lose the battle. The most important thing, if you suppose, I would say कि most of the patient in India or in the world, they have hypertension, diabetes, they are smokers, they are lazy, obese. So if you have these risk factors, you don't have a heart problem, but if you have these risk factors, so you should be very much, clear in your mind कि मेरे पास ये सब risk factors हैं, तो मैं अपने lifestyle improve करूँ. The only thing is which we can control with, to prevent heart failure is to stop it from having it or developing it. तो उसमें सबसे ज़्यादा important है, अगर आपको blood pressure है तो check and control your blood pressure. Take your medicine regularly. Go to a doctor, on regular intervals, and follow the lifestyle. Like diabetes also और heart disease also, आपको जो है अपना lifestyle और अपनी चीजें, smoking करते हैं तो stop smoking, control your diabetes, control your cholesterol level, control your blood pressure level, control your sugar levels to optimum level, so that ultimately they will not lead to the heart failure like condition. That is very important. Basically, prevention is better than cure. You cannot cure the heart failure. You can always prevent it. Prevention means you have to take care and control the risk factors that are responsible for the heart failure.